Hey guys, it's your girl Bree and welcome back to my channel. Today's look is a copper smoky glam look. I got some new lashes on, I got some gloss that be poppin', I got the whole 9 yards today. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to your girl Bree Marie so you can watch more videos like this. And if you guys are interested in learning how I created this makeup look, then please keep on watching. The palette I'm going to be using today is the Morphe one. This is the Artistry palette 35M Boss Mood, and it's kind of just perfect because it has all these wonderful fall colors, and it's just perfect for the look that I'm going for today. I'm going to pick up a Morphe M573, and I'm going to go into this shade right here and just put that in the upper crease area, washing this color all over the lid. How is everybody doing? Let me know. Say hey, what's up, Bree? What's good? Hope everybody's still staying safe out. I hope everybody is still staying safe out there. Still in quarantine. Moving on to the next shade in the palette, I'm going to pick up this dark shade right here, this dark brown. And I'm going to put that in the actual crease. Picking that up on a Morphe M441 brush. I'm excited because I might be going to Vegas in 2 weeks. So hopefully if all goes well, I will be in Sin City in 2 weeks. I'm excited. Because I haven't been to Vegas in forever. Because a lot of people are going now. Because people are becoming more comfortable with traveling. I already looked up tickets. They're almost regular prices. So I'm gonna try and go. I just want to be by the pool and drink, relax. I want to get a massage so bad. I think I'm definitely gonna get one. I don't care. My poor little body is so achy. So I'm down to party. Maybe talk to some hotties if they're there. You never know. Always gotta look cute. Okay, now that I have those two shadows laid down, I'm gonna go back in with the palette and I'm gonna use this one. Just gonna lay it down. This shade is so beautiful. I love it. And you don't want to take it too high, otherwise it will transfer. So I'm going to try and keep this color very low. It doesn't need any liquid encouragement to shine. Okay, the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to tightline my eyes with just a little bit of black shadow because I want to put lashes on, but I also want it to be able to blend in and I don't want the lash line to be sticking out. I'm just going to take an angled brush. I'm going to dip into the black shade that's in the palette, this one right here. Okay, so it's gonna look just like this. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera because I think that you guys just don't need to see it's a super boring step. And I'm gonna add some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and put on my lashes. These are some new ones I recently bought from Lunar Lashes. This is in the style Solstice. So they're nice, big, fluffy, pretty lashes. And like I said, I already put primer on. I use Benefit Cosmetics Professional. And I'm gonna move on to the skin. I'm going to be using Wet n Wild today foundation. They're Photo Focus, and this is in the shade Cream Beige Medium. Okay, for concealer, I'm going to be using Morphe, and this is in the shade C165. Now I'm going to set my face and I'm going to go in with the Maybelline powder. Alright, now that I have the powder laid down, I'm going to go back in with the transition shade and I'm just going to use a pencil brush and just smoke it out. You know the usual. Okay, now back to the lower lash line. I'm gonna take a Morphe R44 and just go in with that dark brown shade, and I'm just gonna put it in my waterline. I was looking for a movie to watch the other day and I saw Hocus Pocus and I'm like, oh my god, I can't wait to watch that. I just don't know when an appropriate time is. I feel like it's like I can't even watch it right now because it's not even October yet. I'm way too ahead of myself. But I think everybody loves that movie. It's a classic. So now I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that bake away because it's been sitting there forever. Cool. Now your girl's looking a little white. We need to bronze her up a little bit more. All right, now I'm going to use an e.l.f. Flawless Face Brush and dip into this NYX Matte Bronzer. Ulta stores are now open. I'm so excited. My friend told me and I was like, damn it, that's kind of a bad idea just because now like I have one and it's right down the street for me and now I'm always gonna want to go to Ulta because I love Ulta and I love Sephora. I mean, who doesn't? Now for blush, I'm gonna go in with Marbled Light from Ciate. Okay. Moving on to highlight. I'm gonna use Wet n Wild again because it's pretty. This is the one in Precious Petals. I also wonder what Halloween stuff is gonna be open this year. I wonder if they're gonna have pumpkin patches. Probably pumpkin patch stuff because that's outside. And I don't think haunted houses or Universal or anything like that. That sucks. It's not gonna be a normal Halloween this year. Okay though. Still my birthday, so I'll be fine. And my dad's birthday, so we'll be fine. I bet you people are still gonna try and have Halloween parties though. Not me, but other people probably. I'm gonna have people over, it's just gonna be my close friends. But if I do that, I'm still deciding what I wanna do. It's time to set this face here. I'm gonna go in with All Nighter. I'm not a huge fan of the All Nighter smell, but the quality of the setting spray is nice. Ow! You see, I hit my face right there. Again! I don't know what's wrong with me. I have issues. Not trying to hit myself in the face. I think I'm gonna take a little bit of this highlighter and just do a little bit of an inner corner highlight. An inner corner moment, as I say. I'm just gonna take a lavish pencil brush. Lavish. Oh, it's 420. You know what that means. Some people probably know what it means. I'm like, yeah, now I just want to go to Ulta every single day, you know, just browse. Look at the pretty products I want to use, products I want to try. It's like it was meant to be that I was supposed to live right next to an Ulta because it knew, Lord knew I love makeup. I'm also gonna get in trouble though, I need to be careful. Who's blowing up my phone? Just kidding, nobody's blowing up my phone. Besides my sister, just kidding. I'm gonna go in with this Kylie Coco K. I'm gonna outline my lips. I'm gonna go in with Iconic London, and this is the lip plumping gloss in Nearly Nude. I'm so minty fresh now. Please let me know if you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Also holler at your girl in some of the comments, you know, say what's up. If you guys have a look that you'd like to see me recreate, please let me know. You know, Halloween's around the corner. If you guys want to see me do something, let me know what's up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to your girl Bree, show her some love. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I don't have time for this. Going a little cray. I feel like this is one of the fastest videos I've ever freaking done, which is awesome because, you know, that's good. Progress. Yay! Okay, I think that's good enough. I think I could lower it a little bit because I'm so fucking high. Ugh! And I'm hungry. Fuck, I just ruined everything. Crap, I forgot the AC was on. Ugh! Can you go up a little bit more? Mother! Good job, Bree. Killing it in the game right now. Dropping everything. Bye!